Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'ma live up, head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, Sarah, look. Say good morning, Fizz. Where are we? Where are we?
Go to the supermarket.
Yes, we're at the supermarket. Today's holiday, it's a Friday.
It's there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Aww.
I'm going shopping supermarket. It's a Friday, it's holiday here. I think it's the end, it's still a celebration of celebrating the end of World War I. Yes, it's to wash your hair over there. Celebrating the end of World War I. So it's holiday and we're heading to the supermarket right now. The entire squad, Tyler and Papa is with us. Wow, Christmas goodies. Tyler and Papa is with us, but there's a little dilemma. Someone in Tyler class test positive for COVID, so they asked everybody to do a COVID test. Now we're thinking all kind of things right now based off Tyler's vomiting and all that, and the person that tested positive, Tyler saw her while he was on vacation, so we don't know what is really happening. But when Tyler went to the doctor last week, the week before he went back to school, yes Sarah, we didn't let him, well, when Babe took him to the doctor, Babe didn't recommend a COVID test for him, which we should have recommended. Now that we're thinking back on everything, you want to see it? Which one? This one? This one? No, touch it. Now that we're thinking back on everything, so if Tyler tests positive, then we don't know if it's him give it to the girl or the girl give it to him. The fact that he was vomiting, then Sarah was vomiting, and the very first time when Tyler was vomiting, when Sarah tested positive for COVID, Tyler didn't test it positive. So I don't know, but Tyler is going to take a COVID test. So I'll give you guys an update on how that will turn out, what the result will be. But anyway, hoping for the best. I'm at the supermarket right now and I'm gonna do a little shopping. It's holiday, it's Friday, so I'm expecting the supermarket to be full. So I won't take you guys through with me. I'll see you guys when I get home for the supermarket now, because I can already see there's so much people in here and I need to focus. I need to navigate the supermarket properly. So stick and stay, subscribe to the fandom if you're new, and I'll see you guys for the rest of today. So see you guys later. What's that?
It's a dog.
It's a dog.
Don't touch it.
Touch it. You guys know it's Christmas shopping time, so yeah. Christmas shopping ideas popping up. Back, and before we start, Tyler result came negative, so hooray. It's time for the
Supermarket haul. Why there's only me?
Exactly. Let's do that again.
Because it's so loud that it's as loud as 4 people.
That's the supermarket dog.
Okay, it's time for the
Supermarket haul.
Sorry, you're not saying
I don't
it.
hear you too.
I don't know what to say.
No.
It's time for the
Supermarket haul.
well, I guess everybody mute like I normally mute. Anyway, you guys, we're back from the supermarket and it's time to go through the haul real quick because everybody's hungry.
And I wanted to wrap paper scissors.
Tell I want to kick Papa's
You
butt.
want to lose again,
So-
like every week.
Ah, the joke's on you. Let's go.
Ah,
Honestly, I don't know what these are, so I'm just gonna pass it over to the owner.
That's two.
Me, I don't know what
Two
is this.
baby cake.
Baby cake for
This,
when
I don't know what it is, so I'm
You
going to
don't
give it
hear
to
Papa
the
talking.
owner too.
Baby cake for when I feel depressed.
Repeat what you say.
So we have meat here for lunch. Always have a section.
Seki. My cousin is calling me from England.
We always have a section where there's already
Ready-made meat.
right. So we take it because we have no time today. So
We'll put it
Yeah.
on later. Let's do the supermarket. What is this?
we took another one, a sausage. So we have
Yeah,
pork and
macaroni
sausage.
and cheese. Okay, let's see, Sarah. Sarah, what's this? What is it? What is it? She said something for Mama. I don't hear properly what she said.
Right?
That is banana. Where's Nana? What's this? What's this?
We have eggs. I'm not gonna comment anything.
Nana for Mama.
Eggs.
Mama.
Tyler says some Mama bottom. Yes, Tyler, some Mama bottom.
This is a turtle yellow.
Yeah,
Tyler, do your bag,
raspberry and
please.
white bread.
Mama,
Yes.
Sarah,
cereal bar.
please. All you come to do is eat. Huh? Wash.
Yeah, that's what we do better.
Papa gonna give you a raspberry, okay? What's this, Sarah?
Papa.
Yes.
Toothpaste.
Yes, toothpaste for?
Sarah.
Yep. We have a lot of duplicates, so I'm not showing them to you. What's that?
Soup.
For?
Mama.
No, to wash dishes in the kitchen. See raspberries there, say?
Thank you.
Yeah.
What is this, Sarah?
Juice, jus pour les enfants.
Mama, you hear what you say?
Donut for Sarah.
It's not only for Sarah, it's also for me.
But it's mostly she eat it for real. That's why she said that.
Sarah,
Mama,
what is,
Dina.
what is that, Sarah?
Don't stack them up. That's okay. Leave those, but don't stack them up. Sarah, what's that? What's this?
Mama.
Yes, we have bouillons. I like cooking with bouillons.
Mushroom.
Certain things.
Okay, that's what I have.
Sarah, what's that?
Oh,
Pasta. Tyler wants couscous. If you guys know what is couscous, it's going to be my first time cooking it in this house. I normally eat it when I go to my in-laws or visit a French person. Tyler eats it a lot at school, and today he said, Mama, I want couscous. So I'll try and cook it later for him for dinner. I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna cook couscous, babe. See, I'm gonna cook smooth, because couscous is when the smooth have a lot of things melange
My
mixed in
assumption.
it. But no, this is not an assumption. She's true.
We have a cream for whatever.
Avocado.
And what is that?
Cream for avocado.
Chocolate milk.
for
Soap for shower.
Yes.
And it's that time of the year
Have some chicken.
when there's lots of tangerine, mandarin, whatever you guys want to call it. This reminds me of home so much, because during Christmas time in Jamaica there's a lot of tangerine.
You're in prison?
And my what?
A prisoner?
Prisoner eat a lot of tangerine?
No, yeah, always have the meat like prisoner get one tangerine for Christmas.
Really?
You always see that in the movie.
I can't recall seeing that in no movie.
You didn't watch the right movie.
I guess not.
You watch too much
I have an
reality show.
auntie. I have an auntie, my auntie Vadney, who you guys met this summer in Boston. When I used to visit her house in Kingston from the country, she's never out of tangerine for Christmas time. Some big, nice, juicy one. She used to live in Papine.
Salmon here, salmon there, salmon everywhere.
Butter and pecan. Move. Do the hall, man, and hurry. I'm hungry. I'm
Mama, can I have
tired.
pineapple, please?
Yes, you'll have pineapple when you finish the hall.
We have a caramel for mommy. She took it, she loved it.
That's not true, it's for Tyler.
It's for me.
Sarah, what's that? Sarah, what's this?
Here.
Here for who? Who it is for?
Tara.
All my family and friends. We have donuts.
Babe
we have
took
donuts.
pure yogurt last week and I don't think he ate one. And Sarah ate it all.
4 volcano.
Okay, the
Fries.
fries.
Yes, go for the fries around the back. I have fish, and I have sweet potato fries, and I have no donut.
Happy basket.
Can you tell she's hungry? It's after 1 and she haven't eaten as yet.
And I she should be napped.
And she should be in her nap time right now. She's hungry. You want donut? Here.
Rice cake.
When Tyler can hold his hunger, Sarah can't really hold all her hunger. When she's hungry, she gets miserable.
Cookie.
Good job, Ty.
And chips.
More duplicates. Sourly, tell you guys.
What is you?
We have duplicate is when you have more than one of the same thing. How do you put it in the air fryer?
Like
Sweet pepper,
You do
tomato.
that.
So what happened to your hand? Move.
My hand do that.
Your hand do what it's not supposed to be doing on camera.
We have juice there. Juice for Papa. And a little bit for Sarah.
Toothpaste for me. And lettuce.
Lettuce.
What you gonna do with the donuts is bigger than you. The donuts is bigger than your head.
She thinks you're funny. She's licking off the sugar. Alright, come Tyler, just kick his butt please so he can calm down. Let's go. We ready? Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What are you doing? Stop letting him waste in his winnings.
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler. Come on, Ty! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Papa.
I like how I look at you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
It seems that I win 5 weeks and you only one.
Exactly. I think I'm the one that giving Tyler bad luck.
Okay.
Look at him.
Mama.
You see, he's talking about when Tyler win, Tyler hype. And look at him when he win. He's just as high.
Papa versus you now.
Come.
No, Mama play the loser.
No.
No. Yo. No, you.
And I also want to meet you. Mama.
I hope he can do this when he
Mama,
starts to work out Monday morning.
I
Come.
also want to meet you.
You want me and you to come? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Mama.
Papa beat him. Papa beat him.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Now you're crying. Now you're crying. You see, when you're happy, and when you're crying. Mama. Stop. Mama, I also want to be versus Luna. Stop screaming.
Wait, Mama, stop screaming.
Okay, Mama, stop screaming, okay? So she's not into the shuffling anymore. She's into telling people to stop screaming. Come, babe. Monitor me and tie. Babe. Ready?
This?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2v0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
At least I win. 1 point for everyone. Like every time. Mama, at least it's 1 point for everyone, but not the same way.
Yes.
The
And
opposite.
all this one around here doing is eating. Look at her. Take her down. Take her down.
I would love when Sarah will be bigger and she'll play rock.
Yes, and she's gonna come kick your butt.
Nah, you're not a
Okay. I'm always with you. Don't
I
worry.
even picked you just now.
Don't worry. I'm always gonna be at your team even when Sarah start playing. Okay? You don't have to worry about that. He said if I'm not with him anymore. Mama is always on your team. Okay?
He's always on the losing team.
Even if you lose. Huh?
Say you're always on the losing team.
A rice.
No fries. Hello, you guys. Lunchtime around here. So you guys, this is the outcome of the couscous. I didn't show you the technique of cooking it because I didn't cook it. I thought it was something that you had to cook like on the stove, but all I had to do was take it out of the pack, put it in this bowl, throw some hot water on it, cover it for 5 minutes, and it cooked. And that was it. So there's nothing special about it. Maybe there's another way of cooking it from scratch just by seeds. I have no idea. But this technique worked. And it is good actually. It is really good. So, more couscous to the dinner table. Alright you guys, that's where we're gonna end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm sure you did, so please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.